you see for miles out here. There's not a lot of ranches in Texas and the hill country where you get the combination of huge views, easy build sites, loaded with trees. There's going to be 55 lucky people that get to take advantage of how special this place really is. Hi, I'm Price Keever, Vice President of Lone Star Land Partners. I'd like to welcome you to Copperstone Mountain. Climb in, let me take you on a tour on this beautiful property. Copperstone Mountain's our newest ridgetop acreage community located just outside of Hamilton, Texas. This property has it all. It's hilltops, trees, flat building areas. Every lot has a huge view, and we also have some creekfront lots available as well. So it's got a little bit of everything if someone's looking to move to the hill country and be able to sit on their back porch and look over 20+ mile views in every direction. When we came out and looked at the property, there were all kind of trees, live oak trees, red oak trees, all kind of hardwood trees on it, lots of pecan trees running up and down the creeks. And the red oaks had a copper tone to their leaf color, and that's how we came up with Copperstone Mountain. We're gonna have properties ranging from 10+ acres out here, 55 total tracts over the 750+ acre ranch. The roads out here at Copperstone Mountain will be paved roads, and it'll be power provided to you. Copperstone Mountain is located 2 hours from DFW and about 2 hours from the Austin area. This has been a fantastic area for people looking to get out in the country. There's all kind of wildlife out here on the ranch. There's deer, turkeys, all kind of birds. This part of the hill country has the most fantastic night sky. You get on top of these ridges, you could almost reach up and grab a star. One of the best things about our company is you can buy now and build later. Pick the time when you want to build and the builder you want to build with. So there's no time frame to start, and you can go ahead and secure this beautiful property while it's available and build when you're ready. It is a low cost of living out here. The tax rate's favorable for sure. You can build a lot bigger house and save money on your taxes versus what you're paying in the cities. We understand the consumer has lots of options when it comes to buying a piece of acreage property. We do all the homework for you. We'll do studies on environmental issues. We make sure there's adequate water on the property. We make sure that we're following the guidelines set by the county and the state. At National Land Partners, we want to take the extra steps necessary to make you feel totally comfortable with the property that you're buying. The best way to look at a piece of property is to come out and take a look for yourself so you can see the surrounding area and you can pick out the perfect home site. This is a huge decision for our customers. The property is the foundation for their life going forward. There's a lot of advertisements where people claim they have ridgetop property or view property, but you have to come out here and experience Copperstone Mountain for the huge views we have out here. So call for your personal tour. One of my experienced team members would love to take you out and show you this beautiful property. You're gonna love it out here at Copperstone Mountain.